how to log in Ubuntu account. So if you want to log into your Ubuntu account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser which you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. You can simply go for the search bar and then search for Ubuntu login, and here on the first search you will have login.ubuntu.com. Simply click on that and it will take you to the website of Ubuntu and accept all cookies. And then here if you want to log into your account, then you have to first enter your email address, and then if you don't have your Ubuntu account, then you can click here so that you can create your account. But if you have an account, then you can click here so that you can log into your account. So if you want to log in, then simply enter your email address and then you have to enter your password. And if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can simply click on forgot your password, and then you have to enter your email address which you have used to create your account, and then you can click on continue so that Ubuntu will give you a link to your email address, and after that you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and then you can click on login, and that's it. That's how you log into your Ubuntu account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.